Somebody want to tell me what in the Kentucky Fried concealment is going on here, bro? You got chicken in your pocket? I ain't mad at that. I'm not upset you got chicken in your pocket or some type of bird. I done been hungry before. I know how it feel to be hungry. And the only type of chicken that you can afford is a raw ass chicken. Ain't plucked, ain't nothing. I can't afford to get the fried chicken. I can't afford to get the baked chicken. I cannot afford to have a prepared chicken. I got to find some type of bird and prepare it myself. But I got to eat. Judge ye not. I don't know. It might be a pet. I don't know. Hopefully, hopefully the bird ain't alive. Because birds peck. And you don't want a bird in your pocket pecking. Because somebody gonna think something wrong with your pecker. I guess. I don't know. I don't know.